360 divided by 30. Here 30 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 30. 30 times 0, 0, 30 times 1, 30. Look, just at 30 with the previous step. 0 plus 30, 30. Then 30 plus 30, 60, which is 30 times 2 equal to 60. Then 60 plus 30, 90. That is 30 times 3, 90. So it is easy to find out the multiplication table of 30. Just at 30 with the previous step. 30 goes into this 3 how many times? 0 times, as 3 is less than 30. So 0 times 30, 0. Subtract 3. Bring down this 6. 30 goes into 36 how many times? 2 times 60, which is greater. So 1 times. 1 times 30, 30. Subtract, you are getting 6. Bring down this 0. So we are getting 60. 30 goes into 60 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 30. 2 times 30 means 60. Subtract, you are getting 0. So 0, 1, 2 means 12 is our answer.